Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to day 22 of 30-day life challenge with Right to Abundance. This is Shilpa M. Menon. Right. So, what am I going to speak on today? Uh, I remember receiving a certain message asking me about how do we make decisions in life and how do we know if we are making the right decisions. Because, of course, a lot of times um, we make decisions from, and we do tend to get confused if we've done the right thing or not. Um, yeah, what I wanted to say is because, you know, uh, we've heard so many people telling us so many things. Follow your heart, use logic, do eccentric stuff, be eclectic, be innovative, or don't bother anyone. So there are so many different advices that we hear that we really don't know when we are making a decision. Are we doing the right thing? Or is it even going to lead us where I really want to lead? So when we are in the path of confusion or when we are seeking clarity, what do we really do? So here's what I'd like to talk about, that life is about making choices. In fact, each time we make a choice, it's very important that we think about all the consequences that this choice is going to be creating. So if I choose a path A, where all will it lead me to? How many possibilities or outcome are going to be there? And let's assume that I've made a choice and there are 5 different outcomes. Am I willing to embrace all 5 of them and take complete ownership no matter where this choice is going to lead me? It's a very important thing to think about. Do I want to take complete ownership of the choice I have made and the consequences that it is going to lead me into? When I work with a lot of people and we are talking about decision making or clarity, um, I do get different responses. One of them is, I want to make this choice, but I'm not ready to bear all the consequences. I'm okay with consequence A and B. However, C, D, E is not me. If you're not willing to embrace all the consequences, then you either need to tweak your choice or really question yourself, is this truly the choice I want to make? What it also does is moves us from victim space to victory space or empowered space, because I know what I'm doing. I know where is it going to lead me, and I know what else is going to happen. And no matter what happens, I am willing to step up and embrace everything that will show out of this. And that is extremely important. So when you're making choices, ask yourself, in fact, I don't know if I mentioned this earlier, but not having to make a choice. Well, because I've heard a lot of people saying, I didn't have no choice. Oh no, that's also a choice we have made, not to make a choice and to just allow someone else to make choice for us. So the decision is yours. How do you wish to choose? What choices you want to make? If you're ever at a crossroad, question yourself. Am I willing to embrace and own up to all the consequences? Probably only one of them would show up. But am I willing to embrace it all? If the answer is no, it's time to tweak your choices or time to work around and create a new pathway for you. With this, I leave you today for day 22 with the thought, what choices are you going to make and how are you going to really move forward or take charge of your life in the choices that you make. Day 22, Shilpa M. Menon with Right to Abundance in a 30-day life challenge on Facebook. Goodbye. See you all.